Hello student. So student, we discuss some few slide today. Number one, electrical properties means electric forces. So in colloidal particles of Sol either carry positive or negative charge. The extent of charge on the colloidal particles can be demonstrated by a phenomena called electroforces, where the colloidal particles, when placed in an electric field, moves towards either cathode or anode, depending upon the charge of on them. So this is the structure to electrophoresis process. Just a U shape of cylinder, one side with the help of cork, one side cathode electrode and one side anode electrode. So this is the initial level, and this is the water dispersion medium and colloidal solution, and this is the stop cork, and this is the reverse here. So normally if any types of things or any types of solution, they have present the charge, and these types of charges are just moving to opposite sides. That means positive goes to negative side, negative goes to positive side. So normally this types of water can moving anode to move to cathode side. So this is the electrophoresis process. Next slide, properties of colloids. So in electroosmosis, so molecules of dispersion medium are allowed to move under influence of electric field, and colligation or flocculation means the process which involve coming together of colloidal particles so as to change into large size particles which ultimately settle as a precipitate or float on surface. It is generally brought about by addition of electrolytes. The minimum amount of an electrolytic that must be added to 1 liter of a colloidal solution so as to bring about complete colligation or flocculation is called colligatics or flocculation value. Smaller in the flocculation value of an electrolytic is greater the colligation or precipitating power. Again, properties of colloids. So Hardy-Suzhou law. So in according to this law, colligation power of an electrolytic increase rapidly with the increase in the valency of cation or anion. For negatively charged salt of colligation power of electrolytics are aluminum chloride is greater to barium chloride is greater to sodium chloride, or Al ions is greater to Ba ion, means aluminum ions is greater to barium is greater to sodium. So for positive charge, then the colligation power of electrolytic flow the following order. Next thing, gold number. So covering up the lipophobic particles by liophobic particles is known as its protective action, and such colloids are called protective colloids. So just see here, this is the liophobic particles, means particles being protected, and this is the lyophilic particles, means protecting particles. So gold number is defined as amount of protective salt that will prevent the colligation of 10 ml of a gold solution on the addition of 1 ml of 100% NaCl solution. And this is the smaller gold number, higher is a protective power. In the next slide, Michel. So if concentration is sufficiently high, serpents can form aggregates in the aqueous solution Michel, and typically spherical particles of 2.5 to 6 nm diameter, and Hardy Spear Michels means McBean, Lamier Michels, water layer, hydrocarbon layer, and water layer. This is the and next thing three idealized cross section layers of micelle of various types in oil, in water, Sharon Michel, just see here, and this is the water in oil, Sharon Michel, and this is the subsequent Michel in aqueous medium. And next thing, soap micelle. So this is the hydrophilic heads from the surface of micelle. These points are just cover, and this is the parts in hydrophilic means liophobic water loving head containing a charge functional group, and this is the hydrophobic means liophilic water faring tail containing a hydrocarbon chain. So this is the structure of soap micelle. And next video, dear student, we discuss the type of detergent. Okay, thank you.